Swagbucks results are not the same for every user because earnings depend on the activities available, the time you spend, and the choices you make on the platform. After 90 days, the main thing to evaluate is not a single earnings number. It is whether the time you spend on Swagbucks creates enough value for your personal schedule. Swagbucks works by offering users different ways to earn rewards through available activities. The options you see, and the amount of time required, can vary. So two people using the platform for the same amount of time may have different results. The first part of a 90-day review is consistency. Checking the platform regularly helps you understand which activities are available and which ones fit your routine. A person who uses it occasionally will have a different experience from someone who builds it into their weekly schedule. The second part is tracking. Keep a simple record of the activities you complete, how long they take, and the rewards you receive. This shows whether the platform is actually worth your time, instead of relying on someone else's experience. The third part is choosing activities carefully. Not every available option will match your preferences, so focus on the tasks that make sense for you. If something takes too much time compared with the reward, move on to another option. After 90 days, you should also look at the overall experience. Check whether the platform was easy to use, whether the available activities matched your expectations, and whether you were comfortable with the time commitment. A rewards platform like Swagbucks is designed around earning from optional activities. It is better viewed as a way to earn rewards during spare time, rather than as a replacement for a regular income source. The biggest advantage is flexibility, because you can decide when and how you use the platform. The biggest limitation is that your results depend on availability, effort, and your own strategy. If you want to test Swagbucks yourself, start with a specific time limit and track your results from the beginning. After a few weeks, you will have real information about whether it fits your routine. The key points are simple. Swagbucks experiences vary between users, tracking your time shows the real value, and choosing suitable activities improves the experience. Your next step is to review your own results after using the platform consistently. If this helped you understand how the 90-day experience works, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews.